Hey there, ever wanted a house that's small, affordable, and super functional? Well, today we're designing exactly that. A compact but clever home that proves size doesn't matter, at least when it comes to houses. Here's the backstory. A viewer messaged me asking if I could design a single-story compact home for him. It will be for his 2 kids that are studying in college, but will also needs to work as an Airbnb in the future. He wanted a living, dining, kitchen, and laundry space. 2 bedrooms, 1 for each kid. Lots of storage to keep things neat. Now if we lay it out on the plan, it will look something like this. Simple, right? Not exactly. The land space is definitely big enough, but then, boom. Setbacks. Following zoning setbacks, which you definitely need to check with your local zoning office. We're left with only 5 by 7 meters of buildable space. Yep, setbacks are a thing. We can't just spread out the layout. And since this will be an Airbnb later, we need a design that works for both family living and short-term guests. At first, I tried fitting everything in, but the room started looking like this. I can't add another floor because the owner wanted a single-story house. And no, I can't borrow space from the neighbor's lot. That's illegal. So here's what I did. We'll maximize space by building a firewall on one boundary. This lets us extend the house area. Next, we go for an open floor plan. Living, dining, and kitchen, all in one seamless space. And this is how the final floor plan looks like. Big windows at the front and back will keep things bright and airy. To keep costs down, we'll focus on making the front facade look great while keeping the other walls simple. This way, we get a stylish home without breaking the bank. The front elevation is clean, modern, and inviting with wood accents and neutral tones. On the side, the firewall extension maximizes space and blocks harsh southern sunlight, keeping the house cool even at noon. At the back, a dedicated laundry area fits neatly into the setback. Except for the front, the walls have a simple painted finish to keep costs down. To complete the look, I added landscaping and a stone pathway leading to the back. Small details that make a big impact. Now, the estimated cost to build this house is around $48,000. But before you start doing mental math, let me clarify, this is an estimated average. I took construction prices from different locations, then multiplied by the total building area. But listen, several factors affect the final cost. Labor rates, building codes, construction type, or your wife's expensive taste. Seriously, watch out for that one. Always consult with your local professionals for the most accurate budget. Now, let's talk interior. To match the modern exterior, we're adding warm wood accents throughout. The living area is compact but cozy. Just enough space for a small sofa, a coffee table, and a TV stand. A floor-to-ceiling mirror makes it feel way bigger. The dining table pulls double duty. It's not just for eating, but also a workstation for studying or meal prep. The kitchen is fully equipped with tons of storage to keep things organized. Now onto the bedrooms. The first kid's room has a loft bed with built-in stairs that double as bookshelves. Underneath, a reading nook, a closet, and a study desk. Maximize space? Check. The second kid's room faces the rising sun. Who needs an alarm clock when the sun does the job for free? Same setup as the first. A desk, loads of storage, and a clean, cozy vibe. Finally, the laundry area. We're placing it at the back of the house, utilizing the setback area. Practical and efficient. To give you a clearer look at how everything fits together, I've prepared this isometric section view of the design. Just a clear view of how each space works together to keep the house practical, spacious, and comfortable. Now, I will leave you with a short walkthrough of the completed design. And that's a wrap on this Pandastic home tour. What do you think? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next Pandastic house design. More ideas, more designs, and who knows, maybe your dream home is coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.